Good morning from Master Trust and welcome to Friday's trading session at Dalal Street dated the 5th of July 2024. The US market was closed yesterday on account of Independence Day. In Asian market, Nikkei is trading at 41,037 and Hang Seng is trading at 18,028. GIFT Nifty is currently trading at 24,368.50, indicating a muted start for the Indian market. FII bought 2,575.85 crore in the cash market in the last trading session. L&T's Green Energy plans to leverage technology and sustainability to create new opportunities. For ease of doing business for credit rating agencies, the market regulator has issued specific timelines for period surveillance actions. Now talking about global aspects, China's Xi Jinping greets EU Council President ahead of EV tariffs taking effect. The Commission is set to confirm provisional import tariffs of up to 37.6% on Chinese-manufactured EVs. China's BYD opens EV factory in Thailand, first in Southeast Asia. Jeff Bezos to sell Amazon shares worth about $5 billion after stock hits record high. WTI were up 18 cents at $84.06, while Brent were up 21 cents, or 0.2%, at $87.55 a barrel. The dollar index is trading at 104.76. The US 10-year Treasury yield is at 4.36%, up. Here is a recap of Thursday's trading session. Indian benchmark indices, Sensex and Nifty, scaled a fresh all-time high of 80,392.64 and 24,401 respectively, before trimming gains. The morning rally was propelled by IT stocks, mirroring gains in Asian markets and taking cues from softer US economic data that raised expectations for a potential interest rate cut in September. The key indices, Sensex and Nifty, settled flat at 80,049.67 and 24,302.15, respectively. Outlook for the day. If the Nifty index falls below 23,900, it could lead to increased selling, potentially driving it down to the range of 23,600 to 23,400. Looking forward, we anticipate the Nifty to fluctuate between 24,600 and 23,800 in the upcoming session, with a favorable inclination towards a positive trend. This optimism is supported by key technical indicators such as daily and weekly RSI, which are displaying upward trends above their respective baseline levels, reinforcing a bullish market sentiment. In the Bank Nifty, chart pattern analysis suggests that sustaining above the 52,800 level could attract buying interest, potentially pushing the index towards levels between 53,500 and 53,700. Conversely, a decline below the 52,800 level might trigger selling pressure, pushing the index down to the range of 52,000 to 51,500. Stocks on radar are Nasdaq, GEPIL, Honasa, AstraZeneca. That is all we have for now. For any queries, do visit our website www.mastertrust.co.in. Thank you and have a profitable day. Please note that stocks mentioned in the podcast are only for educational purpose. Our company or any of its employees shall not be held responsible for any investment or trading action undertaken by any person based on stocks mentioned in this podcast.